Hey ho neighborroonies, this is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with your daily trade recap for the 19th of March, last Friday. It's a little late. I had a bit of a trip for the weekend, and hey, this blog is not always going to be timely, but you certainly get this before the next trading day. Just a couple trades. It's a good lesson for everybody out there who might be a part-time trader. Don't trade unless you can be near the computer with a reliable internet connection. I was traveling most of the day, so I didn't trade most of the day. LHPT was a little nice thing. All of a sudden, for some reason, it got a ton of volume and then moved like a rock. Come on, let's go to a 3-minute bar here. And then the thing ended up doubling in the span of a few minutes. Why? A Twitter pump by Penny Stock Chaser. And how they've been doing it is they've been telling their Twitter folk about new pumps before they pump them to their email subscribers. And that gives the early Twitter folks a chance at some nice scalping profits. And I said, hey, I don't mind that. I can do that. And had a nice little $500 profit. Could have almost doubled it because my average sell was about 24 cents. So I could have gotten up to 30 cents, 28 cents with ease. And then they pumped it over the weekend. I'm not going to play it anymore because it'll go up, it'll go down, it'll go up, it'll go down. But the risk reward isn't as good as just buying really, really quick right here. My average fill was actually at 15 cents, which is pretty nice. So imagine how good I'll be once I get a decent broker for penny stocks and I can get direct routes. Hopefully Speed Trader will do that for me. If so, I'll be very excited and I'll be able to make more money doing this sort of thing. But the problem with something like this is you're scalping and you need to be faster than everybody else. I know I can do that. I scalped Stock Preacher a ton long last year when they actually moved stocks, and it worked nice. But plenty of other people tried doing that and lost money or barely made money or broke even. So not something that you can really learn too much from, other than if you can find a niche and you have an advantage over other people, you got to press that advantage. And then LTUM was the other one. When did it close at? 123. If you look at the multi-month chart, this thing's been pumped via mailers, snail mail, since the beginning of the year 2010. Look at where the volume started coming in, and it's just gone in a bit broad range here. So it hasn't gone up a whole bunch, but the fact that it's had all this huge volume without going up much tells me that whoever paid for the pump is dumping a ton of shares. So if you were to short it, your risk on the upside isn't too bad. Maybe it goes to $1.35 again or $1.40, but I don't think it's going higher than that because it's certainly getting long in the tooth, this pump. So IB now has like 35,000 shares to short. The borrow rate's a little high, but again, within a couple months, this should be 50% lower. Your only risk is getting bought in. Well, your only major risk. There's other risks too. But I was thinking of going going short long term, but I still have an issue with taking longer term positions due to my past losses with doing a longer term short strategy. I just don't have it in me to do that anymore. So that's it. Nothing more for today. Hope you'll join me at the Tim Alerts chat room sometime next week, and you should expect my watch list very shortly this evening if you're getting this video immediately after I post it. Cheers.